All right, here's the new shop space. Playing around with different layout ideas. So the orange cones represent a 16-foot wide door I'll build. This is about 24 by 30, 8 at the back, 10 at the front. I pulled my truck in so I can see what's going on. These cones here represent another car, 16 by 8, and you can see I've got a bunch of junk in here still. But the idea is just rough layout of where can I keep stuff, where can I move it. I'd still have room up here easily for a tool bench and a welder and stuff. And if I had to pull the truck in, it'd be a little tight, but it would work. Of course, I could center the truck out and leave it out the back. But I think this might work. Corvette's a lot smaller than the truck, so I'll easily be able to get 2 cars in here, maybe 3 if I put them on dollies and spin. That 4-way is where the electrical panel is going to go, so that's the next project. So I got to run 180 feet from that post all the way to here, and then run along the inside, come out the back, and run it to what's been keeping me busy and why I haven't had any updates on the channel, the barn I've been building. So that'll get power. This is my fishing room, woodworking room, and just working on the layout. So let me know what you think. Good idea, bad idea. The other option I have is I could raise the roof up a good 3 or 4 feet to give me some room for a loft, but I really want to use this space out here and expand the shop. So I'm gonna back up about 40 feet. So eventually I'll have the shop out to here, and it'll be a 40 by 30 on top of a 24 by 30. So instead of spending the money on the roof, I think I'll add a carport off the front, adjust the rake angle at that roof, that line there, come up and over, and then that's that.